Am I going? Yeah, I'm going. Okay, there we go. So, Rick, if anything you'd like to say about what you did? No. Okay, good. We're passing. This is what Rick did, though. I just want to, as we go, just kind of take a little look at how he used these materials to create these forms, which is a lot like engineering and architecture and creative thinking. Do you have anything you'd like to say? Okay, and we're going to pass on this one. There it is. Whoa, yes it is. Okay, and let's see. Shelby, do you have anything you'd like to say?
Yes.
Okay, what is it?
I started as like a pool, so I had like those little foam things in there, and then I'm like, that's not enough. And then I started like adding like these blocks, then those, and then like I wanted like people to see like some in there, and then like so like you can move that up and down, and then I'm like, hey, why not cover it too? So like I covered it, and then I added that one block.
Wonderful. This is like your story of what happened. Thank you for sharing that. Yes, hi. And here we have. Do you have anything you want to say about what was there before, or what was here now?
I don't know.
Okay, that's all right. This is a little unusual doing this kind of stuff, isn't it? Hi.
Okay, so first with all these blocks, I started with a pin. Then I did it into story mode, where two tigers wandered off into a castle to get these things. I pretending they had their jewels. It's like a little castle. It's my.
It is like a little castle indeed. Wonderful. All right. Well, thank you very much for sharing that little story. All right. Hi, what's your name?
Daniel.
Daniel. Now, you have anything you'd like to say about what you did?
I need a house. I'll show you a house.
What's that?
A house.
It's a house.
Yeah.
Yes. And is that some people I see in there?
No.
What's this right here? This is interesting. Oh.
There's nothing.
Oh, okay, good. All right, well, thank you, Daniel. Hi there. Hi, what's your name?
Talia.
What is it?
Talia.
Tilia. Hi, Tilia. What were you doing over here? Anything you want to share? A little bit about what you were doing? Okay. We're going to go right over here to... Hi.
I'm Reagan.
You what?
Reagan.
Reagan, okay. And you were busy over there with some things too, I see. Wow, look at that.
That is a pet bunny house.
It's what?
A bunny house.
It's a bunny house. Oh, right. All right, good. Are we doing all right, Miss Aubrey?
Oh, yeah.
Miss Brenda, we're going to go around this way here and see. We're going to go back around here. I think we're back over here. Okay. All right. And what's your name?
Gunner.
Gunner. Gunner, anything you want to say about what you were doing?
I started off with the blocks, then I used... Then I used one of these long pieces, then these two short pieces, and then two of these, two cubes with a couch.
It's a couch, of course, I see it. Yes, good. Thank you, Gunner. Thank you. Anything else you want to say?
Nope.
Okay, good. Hey there. Anything you want to say about what you're doing over here?
Yeah, we used teamwork to make this.
You use what?
I started out with this, and I did that, and I put these two in, and I put these three there, and I put that on, and I put this long thing, and then I put the little purple things right here, and I put a block on top of it, and I put another purple thing, and I layered these on
You
top of
layered
each
them.
other.
Oh, I see that. Wow, it's very interesting.
And Gregory started making another one of what I made. Then we put them together.
I see you did. So you joined your play with Gregory's play, added them together. And this is what Gregory did over here, I think. Isn't it, Gregory?
Yeah, and this is what I did. And this is what I did.
Very nice, what you and Gregory did. All right. Does Gregory have anything he'd like to say about that?
No.
Okay, good. Thank you. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Gabby.
Oh, Gabby.
And so I started out making this a scale, but then it turned into a house with upstairs, and then I was like, oh, my house needs a bathroom, so I made a bathroom.
Oh, of course. Yeah.
You can actually see the toilet.
I do indeed. That's lovely. A house and a bedroom and a bathroom with a toilet. Fantastic. Thank you. Anything else you want to add?
No.
Okay, good. Very exciting to see all these things that were never here before. And they're here now. And this is the last one over here. I think this is Liam.
Yeah.
Good. Hi, Liam. Anything you want to say?
I started like I built a hut and next put a square on top, and for this one I put two little ones, and next put a block next to this on top of it. It's supposed to be a heavy giant, so there was not enough of those, so I just make it like that. A
Yeah.
chimney.
It looks pretty nice, like a yellow chimney with the purple top. Oh, good. Well, thanks a lot. Anything else you want to say?
Yeah.
Yeah.